Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking some curry chicken back and some rice with complemented veggies and plantain. Please give the video a like and stay tuned for many more interesting recipes. Thank you for watching. So here you can see all my ingredients. I've got some cucumbers in that bowl, some carrots in that bowl, right there, cut up, some ginger, some spring onion, and some scotch bonnet pepper in that bowl. In that bowl, some tomato, some bell peppers in that one. I've got some tomatoes there. I'm going to use some, not all. And I've got some potatoes in this bowl. And then over there, I've got my veggies that I'm going to steam, broccoli and beans. And that's going to be my recipe, guys. I'm also going to be frying my plantain. Oh, I forgot, in this bowl in the middle I've got some spring onion as well as some normal onion, guys, some white onions. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. It's just a quick recipe. So I've went ahead and fried my plantains, and I didn't show you that as I'm aware by now everyone knows how to do plantain. That's my chicken back, guys. I am browning them a little bit first in my oil. I like to do that. That's just common practice that we normally do in Jamaica. Not everyone does it, but I did. That's my rice. I have washed it and prepped it and ready to put it in my pot. Yeah? And there are my veggies. They are steaming in the steamer. Don't they look nice? Wow. So yummy. I love my veggies. Do you love veggies, guys? And then right there, that's my chicken back pieces. I've taken them out of the frying pan, and I'm gonna be burning my curry in the oil to put my chicken back pieces in. Those are my steamed veg. They're finished steaming now. Didn't take long, about 2 to 3 minutes. That's my frying pan. I'm adding some oil. My frying pan was really hot, which I discovered, but nonetheless I kept pushing. That was my curry powder, and you put it in the oil, you burn it a little bit. Then I added in my chicken back, guys. After my chicken back had cooked somewhat, I then added the rest of my ingredients and seasoned my pot and cook it down. So that's me adding the ingredients: the fresh scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, tomato, the onion, the carrots, and everything, guys. I'm gonna add the potatoes as well, and I'm just gonna let that cook down and simmer down, guys. And it's looking so nice. That's some bell peppers, some red and green bell peppers. You can add anything that you want to add, guys. You don't have to add the exact things that I have added. Everyone cook to their own specific requirements. So that's what I'm doing. The pot is bubbling down, and guys, it was smelling so nice, so yummy. Oh my gosh. And it looks so good. It tasted as good as it looked, guys. Can I tell you? It tasted so yummy. So yummy. And that's it. It's finished. I'm going to be turning off my stove, and I'm going to be plating up. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the color. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look pretty, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing, magnificent? Ooh wee! Yes, that is it. Curry chicken back, guys. If you know, you know. Curry chicken back. And guys, this was requested by Mirror Effect channel and Less Incentive. Yes, so this one is going out to Mirror Effect channel and Less Incentive, guys. They requested that I cook some chicken back, so I made their wishes and their dreams come through, and that's what I did. So shout out to Less Incentive again and Mirror Effect channel. This one is for you. Those are my veggies. They are finished and they're looking nice and perky. Percocet. That's my chicken back right there, ready to be eaten. There's my rice, looking fluffy and ready. Look, guys, voila! And that is it, guys. That's the finished dish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looking so nice and aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. Don't you think so, guys? Share, guys. Share a comment. Let me know what you think about this dish. Also, this is just a recap from my live. I had already did a live when I was cooking this. So if you missed that live, go back and look for that live. I did chicken back, curry chicken back, and white rice with complemented veggies and plantains. Yes, guys, and this was yummy. I enjoyed this dish so much because I hadn't had chicken back in years. But because of less incentive and mirror effect channel, I run to the shop and I bought my chicken back and I did my thing. And that's how it's looking. Thank you guys for watching. Please give the video a like. And if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Good Vibes K. If you're not yet subscribed and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and give your girl a shout out. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you all for supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love and appreciation. Look at the dish, guys. Don't you want some? Would you like me to cook for you? What would you like me to cook next? Have your say, guys. Drop me a comment, guys, and let me know what you would like me to cook for you next. So again, on my dish, you've got curry chicken back, plantain, cucumbers, tomato, broccoli, beans, aka string beans, and curry chicken back, guys. If you know, you know. Enjoy looking at the dish, guys. Enjoy. Bye for now. Love you. Bye. See you soon.